Sandra Day O'Connor, Obama should get to choose Scalia's replacement. President Obama immediately should fill the empty seat on the Supreme Court which had been abandoned following the death of Justice Antonin Scalia, said Sandra Day O'Connor, the former justice, in an interview with Arizona station Fox 10 Phoenix. O'Connor said, "I think we need someone to take place and fill the emptiness there to do the job." The president postponed to fill the seat until the next president is elected. Although O'Connor is appointed by Reagan, herself deploring the decision that it should be postponed until the election year is completed. However, we should choose a new person under the situation to fill the seat because this is an important position that we should care about for nation and people, for presidents should make a quick choice, said O'Connor. O'Connor was the first female Supreme Court in 1981 and retired to take care of her husband in 2006.